Imagine standing near a NASA launch pad, marveling at the power of a Saturn V rocket. The engines roar, the ground trembles, and suddenly, disaster strikes. What if there was a way to survive such an explosion? Enter NASA's Rubber Room, a secret underground bunker built to save lives during rocket launches. NASA engineers designed this hidden refuge to protect astronauts and engineers from catastrophic failures. Why rubber? This high-tech bunker's thick rubber walls, up to 60 centimeters, absorbed shock waves and cushioned against explosions. It functioned like an industrial trampoline, providing a life-saving buffer against the unimaginable force of a failed rocket launch. Here's how it worked. If disaster struck, the crew would race to a 200-foot vertical slide chute designed to deliver them into the rubber room in seconds. Once inside, they'd find a rubber-padded antechamber and pass through a massive steel, blast-proof door that sealed the room tightly, shielding them from shockwaves. For added safety, the entire floor was mounted on springs to absorb residual vibrations. The rubber room wasn't just about surviving the initial blast, it was a fully equipped survival shelter for up to 20 people. Inside, the crew had access to oxygen, water, and military-grade rations, enough to sustain them for days. Oxygen candles, which burned iron powder and sodium chloride, ensured a fresh supply of air in emergencies. Everything in the room was meticulously designed to prioritize survival. After the danger passed, the crew would crawl through a narrow, 360-meter escape tunnel leading to safety. If the tunnel was blocked, a backup hatch provided an alternative exit. NASA thought of everything, ensuring no one was left behind. Though the rubber room might seem like a relic of the Apollo era, its principles of preparation and safety are timeless. Today's space missions, led by NASA and SpaceX, continue to build on these lessons, prioritizing safety while exploring new frontiers. The rubber room remains a fascinating reminder of NASA's ingenuity and dedication to human safety. It was more than a bunker, it was a life-saving innovation that helped make the Apollo program possible. If you loved learning about NASA's hidden safety measures, hit like, subscribe, and share. And remember, the next time you watch a rocket launch, there's a legacy of innovation and preparation making it possible. See you next time.